I have an intermittent 292 trouble code that will happen 2 or 3 times in one day, then not happen for 18 to 27 days. It has been going on for 2 months. The air handler fan does spin freely, no wobble or any sign of excessive play or looseness. Each time I replace the air filter, they are very clean as only a few weeks old. I reset the circuit breakers for the AC and air handler to reset the critical error, although lately it is self-checked off by itself after a half hour.
Have you replaced any part of your furnace before? If so, how long ago?
It is a furnace and 2-ton AC system. Yes, the air handler fan assembly has been changed twice in the last 5 years. We are in Florida and very rarely use the heater.
How long has this been going on with your furnace? What have you tried so far?
Did you read the first dialog box yet?
Is there anything else the HVAC Tech should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
No. Waiting for your response. I paid $.
Hello, my name is may be able to help with your trouble code. 292 from what I see is a failure of the blower motor to restart. I don't like to bash any HVAC products, but the manufacturer of your system has a long list of recalls, warranty issues, etc. Try leaving the blower running 24/7. The AC will cycle on and off as needed, so the blower will not require a restart every time the thermostat is satisfied. Part of the problem will be in the main circuit board, which controls the blower operation. If you can handle the blower running constantly, your air filter will require more frequent cleaning, but that is a plus.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.